Right, people of TikTok, YouTube, etc. We're now going to be doing a reverse right bay park. So what she's done, she's made sure she's perpendicular with the bays. So what she's doing now, she's straightening her car, making sure she's straight with the bays. She's doing all-round observations, making sure it's safe. So soon she'll stop and she'll make sure that she's straight with the bays, and she'll do all-round observations. She's then going to do a full lock to the left and go forward to the left to reverse into a bay on the right. It's happening now. We can see the front wheels turning to the left. So she's now concentrating in her right door mirror as well as doing all-round observations. She will be finishing in this bay. So she's moving forward, but she's making sure she's not going into the bays ahead of her. She's now going to turn the wheels full lock to the right. You'll see the car's gone in reverse. You can see the reverse light coming on, and she will reverse into that bay. So she's doing the observations. As she's reversing, she's making sure nobody is going round her car. You'll see her getting close to the line on the left. She'll make the adjustment to make sure she's not touching the line, and that is beautiful. This is a pupil that started bay parking, reverse bay parking today, and in 35 minutes she's learned to bay park. She can now reverse left, reverse right, driving left, driving right, and we know this young lady has never had lessons before. She's been trained fully by Amber. She's coming nice and slow, and you can see the pace of her car is just short of walking pace. She's making sure it's safe. She's making sure she's finishing inside the bay. There we are. And that, for somebody that's never bay parked before, is wonderful. She's inside her bay. That's our boss, Amber. And there we are. And that's how you reverse bay park.